A previous video showed importing a downstream RKE2 cluster into Rancher Manager. Now it is time to deploy a Hello World workload on the downstream Kubernetes cluster. Start by clicking on the downstream cluster named RKE2-ZVM-S390X. The cluster dashboard provides information about the cluster being managed by Rancher. Click on Nodes to see the 3 VMs that comprise this RKE2 cluster running on S390X. Click on Workload and then Create to define the Hello World deployment. Click on Deployment. This workload will be deployed in the default namespace with a name called S390X-Hello-World. The initial deployment will be with one replica. The container name is S390X-Hello. Let's switch to Docker Hub to see the container that will be used in this deployment. Highlight and copy the name of the container, pasting into the container image field. Add a port, selecting node port as the service type. Give the port a name. The container uses port 8080. Click Create. Rancher will deploy the S390X Hello World deployment onto the downstream RKE2 cluster. Click on Service Discovery and then on Ingresses. Click Create to define how the outside will be able to access the Hello World application running within the container. The ingress will be in the default namespace with a name of S390X-Hello-Ingress. The ingress rule is looking for a HTTP request to S390X-Hello-World.info/hello. When a request with this URL is received, the request will be forwarded to the S390X-Hello-World node port service on port 8080. That's it for deploying this simple Hello World container. Now let's access the container. The Other Browser tab has the URL http://s390x-hello-world.info/hello. Pressing Enter shows hello from the single container replica running at the moment. Pushing the browser refresh button shows only one container listening on IP address 10.42.2.6. Let's increase the number of container replicas to 3 using the Rancher UI. The S390X Hello World workload is listed when going back to workload. Clicking the down arrow allows the cluster replicas to manually be scaled from 1 to 2 and then to 3. Switching back and refreshing the browser tab now shows 3 containers listening on 3 different IP addresses. Congratulations on deploying Hello World using the Rancher UI running on IBM Z and Linux One.